Hello everyone, this is Garner here, and today I want to talk about development for Temple Arena. So, for our class project, my group and I are making a roguelike RPG game. And so I'm programming and I'm doing a little assets, a little bit of everything, but mostly programming. So here's my test place right here, and as you can see, currently I have just some placeholder characters. I worked a little bit on a HUD over here for level health and stuff. Haven't programmed it yet. I have just enemy pawns here. I got teleporter blocks here, just for like doors and stuff for different sections of levels. And so some of the challenges right off the bat right here was getting the grid-based movement to work, but like it teleports you the movement increments, and so I had an issue where you would go through the wall and stuff, but I fixed that using some ray tracing or ray casting, and I was able to get it so it checks first, and then if it's clear, it teleports you. And I got that to work with the enemies too. As you can see, they're just moving back and forth on a grid. Now, I also worked on the battle system. Let's go that really quick. And as you can see, it like just moves it to a different pawn. And in this pawn, it has like the battle system. So you can see a menu here, and this was pretty difficult to create. Um, but I was able to do it so it just goes through different menus and stuff. Menus, just with a click of a button like that. It's a little difficult to make because I had to do arrays and stuff. Um, and like so far, yeah, you just do an attack, it plays, enemy does an attack, and works just like that. And that's a little tricky. I'm going to have to figure out a way to make the AI choose from a set list of attacks, and like depending on what AI they are, and all that stuff. So that's gonna be a little tricky, and I'm prepared to work through that. Current problems I'm having so far is I'm not really sure what the changes I should make to the battle HUD here are. I um, need to figure out how to remove the other HUD that has the character name and stuff in the overworld, because you can kind of still see it because I didn't hide it yet, so I just need to figure out a method to do that. Um, yeah, I need to, let's see, add attack animations and stuff. That's gonna be a little tricky. Um, yeah, I'll need to add a game over screen. I'm still working on the pause menu, but currently I think it looks pretty nice. It blurs out everything. It like uh, does a pause boolean on the game, so like all the scripts will event tick. No, they're not supposed to move and stuff. And I haven't put the items in the menu yet. I'm not really sure like what I would need in a pause menu, what would show up. But I just got the functionality, so it would work if I ever like figured that out. And yeah, so like a few more things I need is to, like figure out how to get items to work, how I want to like change different moves and stuff. That's gonna be the trickiest part.